How to change vehicle in Uber driver app. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can change the current vehicle that you fully registered into your Uber driver app. But unfortunately, you will not be able to do this on the application. So what you need to do is to pull up a working web browser on your mobile device. And then on the box, just simply type in change Uber driver vehicle. Now from here, you should be able to see um, the resources that is directly from help.uber.com, updating your vehicle driving and delivering. Simply tap that. Now, the second thing that you need to know is you can only use one single vehicle at a time on this application. So your first step is to remove the specific vehicle that is registered into your Uber driver app. Choose on Manage Vehicles and then scroll down, go into Remove a Vehicle, and you just need to fill out this information here, the which type of vehicle, license plate, and so on and so forth. Once you've done this, you will automatically be redirected into adding a new vehicle. And that is how you change the vehicle and the Uber driver app.